Independence Day, 20 points. First point, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Second point, on is August 1947, our India got independence from British rule. Third point, this day is celebrated as the national festival. Fourth point, on this day we remember our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and others. 5 point, we feel happy on this day. 6 point, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort, New Delhi. 7 point, Prime Minister delivers his speech to the citizen of India. 8 point, we listen to it on social media. 9 point, this day teach us about the power of unity. 10 point, on this national holiday in India. 11 point, many freedom fighters lost their lives to provide independence of India. 12 point, we should work hard to build our country. 30 point, the Indian Armed Forces conduct parades on this day. 40th point, after independence we got our fundamental rights. 50th point, this day we remember his great struggle of freedom. 16th point, after independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became first Prime Minister of India. 17th point, in school and college celebrates this day. 80th point, we should respect our nation. 19th point, I love my country very much. 20th point, I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.